Like, yep, good. Are you instrument rated or just private pilot? Are you instrument? Okay. Perfect, yep. Then we can move this one. Navigation. GPS. No GPS position. Oh, there we have it. Yep. And then we have traffic.
Okay, so that's in VLOC. This is in GPS.
You can also change it to GPS. Well, no.
Alright, so this is COM 1 and COM 2.
Correct.
Seatbelts. The avionics is set. There is no weather.
No.
The altimeter you said 150 feet?
150.
Hey, ADSB.
So it's integrated here.
So
it's on.
that's your autopilot.
No, this is the autopilot.
That's the autopilot. Sorry.
Transponder.
This is transponder. Never mind. It looks a little.
Yeah.
That is it. Okay, so standby VFR, which is what we are. Are we at zero at altitude? There's the buttons. Okay. Taxi light.
Apopka traffic, track 451 Echo Romeo, turning right, crosswind for runway 15.
Do these presets a lot?
In this one, not really, but I'll check them like every 30 minutes to an hour.
Apopka traffic, track 451 Echo Romeo, right base for runway, or right downwind for runway 15.
Alright, so they're using 15, aren't they? So we gotta take a hike.
Correct.
Do you normally broadcast your taxi?
I do.
Okay. That would be
that one, yep.
This one?
Oh no, that's the autopilot.
No, that's the autopilot. Which one?
The MiG. Right there. This one. Yep.
Okay, yeah. See, you know, a new airplane, new stuff. Hey, you know, it's...
Take your time, learn it.
Yeah.
If you need to do another flight, we do as well.
Yeah.
So you have your tail number right here.
Yep. Apopka traffic, Cherokee 979 Charlie, taxiing to the active 15 Apopka.
So this is Alpha Taxiway.
Alpha Taxiway.
And it's
which is the only one we got, right?
Yes. Oh well.
Well, I mean,
we have a Bravo on the other side, but you know, back of the with the runway is not.
Yeah. Apopka traffic, Sky 451 Echo Romeo, turning right base for runway 15.
Okay, so the weather is okay.
Yeah.
But it's not going to last. I don't think.
It looks pretty good for now.
Yeah, but we should be we should be okay. Someone once told me, you know, put the brakes on with the gas on. You know?
Final for runway 15.
Put the what?
The gas on.
Oh, the gas.
Here he comes. Oh, I can hear myself breathe. You can hear me, right?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Camera is on. Ability's good.
And then the run-ups here, if you move the tail towards the grass, that's where you can do your run-up.
Yeah,
Like,
and you want to be able to see the approach end.
Exactly. So get close here, and then towards that way, you can see final, and also you can do your run-up without like hitting someone if you ever had anyone, you know,
Oh yeah.
like behind you.
Yeah, the prop blast. So let's get this on. Low battery. Oh, pre-takeoff. No, run up. That's what we want. Brakes, fuel on proper tank. You get the time we started the engine?
No, but let's say 10:50.
Okay. Oh, you remember. Trim.
So trim is right here.
Apopka traffic.
On the middle.
451
Oh, yeah,
Echo Romeo is turning
You
right.
have it electric.
15.
So you can use it here with you, or manually here. So electrical is much easier.
Where the hell is
And then,
it?
yeah, neutral.
Where's my guide?
So up,
Oh, there
down,
it is. I see it.
and then neutral is right here.
Apopka traffic stock 451 Echo Romeo is turning right downwind for runway 15.
Looks good.
Annunciator lights. Press to test. Instruments.
So 0 level, field elevation. And then 0. Align with the compass.
About right. We're gonna have to check it in flight.
Yeah.
Your best power. Okay, so my feet are on the brakes. He was on 2, please. Okay, let's get to 2,000. Magnetos. Go.